In this video, we will show you how to make a moon-inspired presentation slide in PowerPoint. So, let's start the video. Click on right button, go to Format Background, select Background Color. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Rounded Rectangle, drag it. Drag the yellow dot to right side. Make many duplicates and adjust it. Select both. Go to Merge Shape. Select Subtract. Go to Shape Field. Change the color. Shape Outline. Make it no outline. Go to Shape Effect. Select Inner Shadow from Shadow. Whatever PPT you are creating, add information here. Go back to Insert. Click on Picture. Insert picture from this device. Click on right button, send to back, and place it to right side of the slide. Click on right button, duplicate the slide, adjust picture like this. Go to transition, select morph and increase duration. Now click on slideshow and see how beautiful our animation looks. If you like the video, then please like it. Subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.